We do help the clients remodel. I like to see an owner keep the property up over the years. So let's just take a 1990s home that has the gold doorknobs and all the gold fixtures. Just some simple things to update them, continue to keep the rental rates high, changing out the gold fixtures, painting the front doors. There's a lot of little things that don't take a whole lot of money that can continue to sustain the value of a home and keep the rental rates coming in at the highest market value. So we love doing that, and we have a team of people that make ready and also remodel and upgrade homes. My name is Kathy Scott, and I'm the broker owner of Texas Prime Real Estate Blue Ribbon Property Management, and we are here to help.